In today's video, I give you a complete room tour of an interior cabin aboard this classic cruise ship, the Carnival Paradise.
Okay, well, we have made it to the room. It is time. E80. Now you can see right down the hallway, that is the main plaza right there. The main atrium right there. So we are right here at E for Empress 80. We'll come in real quick and show you the main. Like I said, this is an interior. I do always ask them to split the bed, and most cruises never do. They just assume that a single passenger would want a bigger bed. And coming back to the beginning here, we'll go ahead and close this door. You have your safety information, as is most cruises. And then you have your master switch here, controls all the main lights in the cabin. And we have a couple of shelves right here at the door. You got 1, 2, that one's a safe, 3, 4 open, and then 1 and 2. Both are very short and not very deep. And then we have 2 full closets here. I'll step into the bathroom so we can get a nice full view. That's got 1 shelf, so kind of half hanging storage. Maybe put a suitcase down there. And then this other one, let me move over here. This one is all hanging. It does not have the droppable shelves like some of the other Carnival ships, and then this is where your full-length mirror is with a sexy man trapped inside. Help me, help me. You stay there for later. Then we'll come over here. We do not have the put your card in to use the lights, but this is the switch for the bathroom here. Good size bathroom, pretty basic. Again, this ship was built in 1998 or something. So there's only so much you can update on. We'll say, sad to see a shower curtain. I'd hoped sometime in the last, I don't know, million years that this has been in service, they would have changed that. Flip you around here so now you can kind of see. Am I in here with you or are you in here with me? It's not bad. This way kind of tight because there is a grab handle here, and that's right in the middle of my back and in my arm here, so not great. Then we also have our shampoo and shower gel. This goes up and down. You have your clothesline here for your wet clothes so you can hang those. Pretty good sized toilet. Let me sit on the old toilet here. That's a good size. I don't know if you could see, I got pretty good room here. This is something that always bothers me. They never put the toilet paper in a reasonable place. Usually it's like, you know, way over here or something. So the toilet paper being right here is nice. I'm tempted to just pull it and then put it in the toilet and then flush it and then watch it unravel the whole thing, but middle school was a while ago for me, so I'll let the middle schoolers do that. That's a big step, FYI. Now we come out to the main area. Another mirror that is lit for makeup and stuff. Power options. We have a 220 that looks, it does not have a button, so it's always live. 2 households. 2 USBs. This is the switch for the light there. And then we have 2 of these fancy. So this is part of the main light, and then they have a little button here for a reading light, and that's on both sides there. And they also have USBs here. No household outlets, but I will say because the outlets are so close to the bed, I don't think I'll have a problem with my CPAP sitting right here, which is nice. Got a TV on the wall over there. That's not bad. Lots of empty space here. Here's all my bags. You do have 2 little hooks here. Then as far as storage goes, you have one smaller shelf, one bigger shelf. This is a new thing. I think Carnival's recognizing that they've taken too many things away. So now they're like, oh, we'll give you something. And that something is, if you're red status or higher, they give you 1 of these bottles of water for free, which is nice. Then you can buy those for $5 a piece. I did buy some water myself. We do have all of our paper guides here, which is pretty neat. A bunch of QR codes. And of course our phone. Then we have our hair dryer and our cooler. Wouldn't really call it a fridge, but keeps things cool, which is nice. There is no drawer here. You have a small chair and your trash. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty good room. Nice size. It's not cramped. It's a little cramped in the hallway, but all of them are. But as far as like room, the actual room goes, there's plenty of room right here to get ready and move around and stuff, especially for one person. So that's it. Yes, that was room, oh, the bed's comfy. That was room E80 on the Carnival Paradise.
Thanks for watching this, our first video in the new series aboard the Carnival Paradise. Stay tuned for a full week's worth of daily vlogs, specialty dining reviews, ship tours, and more coming soon. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we'll see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.